Hummingbirds. Hummingbirds are some of the smallest birds in the world. They have beautiful iridescent feathers and super fast wings. Their wings move so fast that they look just like a blur. This is because their wings flap 80 times every second. I bet you can't move your wings that quick. Now, let's use some magic and slow everything down. Abracadabra! Wow! Can you see how the wings make the hummingbird hover? Just like a helicopter. Their fast wings also make a wonderful humming noise. That's why they're called hummingbirds. Hummingbirds need to eat lots and lots to maintain their really fast breathing and heart rate. To do this, they eat flower nectar, pollen, and insects. Using their long, thin beaks, they can sip nectar deep inside a flower or a bird feeder. These red feeders are full of sweet nectar for the hummingbirds. They are especially attracted to the red color. Did you know hummingbirds can't walk or hop like a normal bird? Their legs are only for perching, so they need to fly everywhere. Lucky they have strong wings. Click on the videos above to see more amazing animals. And be sure to subscribe.